Hello guys, I'm making part 3 of how to design Jade's mech in Lego Ninjago. It's part 3. I made part 2 and part 1 is part 2 is uploading, so I think it's done now. So why don't you just check it out? So Jade's mech is awesome. I really like it. I'm sorry that I never put Jade in it, but I just wanted that. So I'm going to show you what it's got. It's got an arm with guns. Ciao, ciao. So I both shoot it out of you. So, going back, I just need to clip it back on. Just forget about that now. So yeah, and we have an arm. It's really cool. Hey guys, hello. Who's ready for that? Sorry, I'm not saying for real. These are wings. That's why I just say the sorry. These are two. I don't really know what they are, but yeah, you can. This is the control manual. Don't know if you can see properly. You get that red thing to control the mech and what you want it to do. But you can only do the stuff that you want it, and it has. So you have this. It looks kind of cool. So we've got 2 legs and yeah, and over here, let me just place this up. It opens up like cool flaps. I think it's when he's flying. Close and close. Can see these 2. They close. Can you see the one that just closed and the one that just opened? So I hope this is nice. Very cool fashion legs. Oh yeah, boom, 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 ah. I know. So I hope you like watching my video. Remember to share, subscribe, like, comment on my video, and I hope to see you in another episode, part 4, the tank. So see you later, guys.